Let me show you how this basement went from this to this, or this to this. This project takes place in Fairmount, Philadelphia, a beautiful historic neighborhood where many homes have large stone basements ready for an upgrade. Let's get to work. The most important step is prepping the walls. Once that's done, we roll on glue to make sure the first coat sticks perfectly. Our mortar mix is durable. 3 buckets of sand, 1 70-pound bag of cement, and a 1/4 pound of fiber. This formula creates basement walls that won't crack over time. We've used this mix on hundreds of Philadelphia basements, and it's proven to stand up to moisture, pressure, and the tough temperature changes our region goes through. Dependable uses state-of-the-art equipment to get the job done efficiently. While most companies still rely on hand troweling cement, our mortar spraying technique covers large areas fast and seals tight spots with ease. The result? A quicker turnaround and a stronger seal, making our process clearly superior. Once that first coat's on, we rough it up a bit. That's what helps the second coat grab tight and stay bonded for years. Like most basement wall jobs, this one required 2 coats of cement. We're now applying the first coat. With our mortar sprayer, we make sure to fill every hard-to-reach area where mice or any other uninvited guests might try to enter. To sum it up, we've prepped the walls, rolled on the glue, and sprayed 2 coats of cement for a clean, solid finish. Next, we'll finish the walls with a sponge finish, giving them a smooth, professional look. When we're finished flattening the walls with a sponge finish, we'll move right into painting to complete the transformation. But first, let's pack up and come back in a few days once the walls have had time to dry. Tell me this, do you like how it's coming together? Then tap subscribe and hit that like button. It helps us keep the projects and the tips coming your way. Moving along, let's brighten this basement. Dependable Concrete applies 2 coats of high-quality, ultra-white Sherwin-Williams Loxon, an elastomeric waterproofing paint designed to protect your walls for years. It's a strong, flexible coating that moves with the wall, preventing cracks and peeling over time. All right, now let's bring this floor to life. Before rolling the paint onto the floor, we meticulously trim all the edges with a brush. This step might look simple, but it's what gives the job that clean, professional finish. Once the edges are trimmed, we roll the paint evenly across the entire floor. Take a look at these before and after shots. What started as cracked, dusty, and uneven basement walls has been completely transformed. Every hole and rough patch was filled, leveled, and sealed with 2 coats of waterproofing cement. Once the walls cured, we sprayed on 2 coats of ultra-white Sherwin-Williams Loxon, giving the space a bright, clean finish. Now, what was once dark and damp feels open, dry, and welcoming. A space our clients can truly enjoy for years to come. That's the Dependable Concrete difference. Clean, durable, and built to last. If you've enjoyed watching this basement transformation, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps support the channel and lets us know you want to see more. And don't forget to subscribe to Dependable Concrete. We share real basement makeovers and tips to convert your basement from a dungeon to a bright, clean, dust-free space.